Welcome to ProMat 2023. My name is Jeff Brown, Senior Manager in our Global Industry Solution Division, focused on the logistics market. I'm here to talk a little bit about our show booth today and what we're presenting. If I were to take one theme from this show, it would be operational effectiveness. I see a lot of focus on cost reduction and getting the most efficiencies out of current operations. So if I'm going to summarize this booth into three areas, I would say it's maximizing throughput, it's focusing on labor shortage, and it's looking at obsolescence. So with those three topic areas, the first area would be focusing on obsolescence. So if you look behind me at our booth, a couple of the key areas we're focusing on is the fact that we provide a full automation system. And if you use Mitsubishi for your automation system, then you would have had one of the highest quality systems in the industry, and obsolescence wouldn't be as much of an issue for you. If you're not using Mitsubishi, then we understand we need to integrate to your existing automation system, and we ensure we support a lot of different networks. Next, I'd like to talk a little bit about labor shortage. This is something facing a lot of different industries, but it's really important in the logistics industry. And there, we're focusing on robotics. Robots have gone down in price. They've become easier to program. And we have partners we're presenting like Southie Autonomy that put AI on top of the robot to make it easier to configure. So a maintenance person doesn't need to know how to program the robot. And finally, our focus is on throughput. A big focus in throughput is understanding why can't you reach the efficiencies that you want to right now. And that means you got to collect data. So part of what we're showing here is how you can collect data from your systems, how you can then analyze that data and make actionable results with that. A key part of that is a MyLab product implements AI technology, as well as our Iconics SCADA offering.